Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing in action, but I'm back with a bang. And this time, for the first ever time on my channel, I have come up with a very interesting shoe haul video. Yes. So the reason why I'm doing this, footwear haul first time on my channel is that, first I could not resist myself. I saw this beautiful collection of footwear on Amazon.com, and I thought, let me purchase. Now if you know me, I cannot wear all kinds of footwear. I can wear only one high-end kind of shoe, so I could not resist, but I bought this footwear for my mom. The beauty of all the footwear in this haul is that they are very age agnostic kind of footwear. Anybody, from a youngster, from a child to an adult, they can wear this footwear because this is age agnostic. The styling is very trendy, very comfortable. You can pair this footwear with your casual, semi-casual, formal, etc. Third thing is that they are not too heavy on your pocket. They are very pocket friendly, where most of them are less than 1,000 rupees. Some of them are less than 500 or 600 rupees. So without much further ado, let's get started. So the very first footwear is this beautiful looking, very trendy, very chic, very sassy kind of belly that I have got. It's a nice slip-on shoe and has a very nice knitted kind of retailing to it, and the sole somehow looks even decent for me. I think you can wear this shoe very easily on your jeans, your denims, your skirts, on your semi-formal and formal dresses. You can also wear them at home, especially if you want to save your foot from any kind of cold in harsh winter. So you can slip on some stockings and wear them. Yeah, the next footwear is again a belly, foot belly, but this time this is made from the fall leather. Yes, this is not an original leather but PU kind of leather. As you know, that as a person, I do not like to buy any animal cruelty or leather kind of products. I've stopped buying any kind of leather products. Again, I love this, orange tan kind of a color over here. I totally like the design, the form factor, and if you can see, there's a lot of cut work pattern on this, and that makes this look very sashy and trendy. I think, if you pair this one with your blue denim, you will look awesome. You can pair this with your white outfits. You can pair this with your casual and formal outfits as well, especially salwar kurta also. Look at the sole. This is how the sole of this foot is. The MRP of this was 749, and I've got it at so yeah, this is again a very beautiful piece. I totally liked it. The color is really good, and the biggest joy is that they are not leather, they are artificial leather. Next are these two very bright, very lovely, pepping kind of looking floaters. Floaters, as you know, are quite comfortable, footwear, especially when you have a very active kind of life. You can wear them with your socks, without your socks. You can wear them in your home. You can wear them outside. You can pair them with your jeans, with your skirts, sometimes with your suits and saris as well. They look quite nice with your suits at least. They may not be very formal kind of a shoe, but for casual and semi-casual wear, this is a really great choices. So this comes with this nice velcro belt over here, so that you can fasten it according to your comfort and the size of your foot, of course. So that is another striking feature. This was available in 3-4 different colors, including black, blue, but I chose to pick this very peppy bright maroon kind of a color. It is a unisexual footwear, so if you're planning to buy for a guy, or if you're a man who's looking to buy this, you can go for a color like gray, black, etc. if this is too much for you. Look at the sole of this floaters. Yeah, talking about floaters, and next footwear is like floater married belly. Yeah, so this is akin to a floater and belly kind of a combination. This is a usual regular plain vanilla sandal, but there's something very beautiful about it. I'll show it to you so that you will know. It is the form factor, the simplicity, and the kind of comfort this footwear promises to give you. It comes with this open mouth, three fixed straps attached kind of a form factor, so you can easily slip on the front part of your foot, your toes over here, and at the back you have this nice supporting kind of a grip, which will make it little kind of fixed, not exactly fixed, but yeah, kind of stick to your leg, so that it becomes easier for you to walk and in your movements. So I kind of like this one. The color I've chosen is again the black versus white. I bought it because A, it looked nice and comfortable to me. B, I bought it because It's not very expensive, and this is how the sole, the bottom sole looks like. The bottom sole is very important because this day it is raining suddenly. Lots of floors are marble based floors, so so a footwear with a good grip really counts a lot. Last but not the least is this pair of beautiful looking flats over here. Look at this. This looks quite beautiful over here. It is a very simple, very plain vanilla kind of flat, but the beauty of this footwear is knitted kind of detailing over here. I don't know it's knitted or it is like a fixed one. This is a kind of a machine knitted or something like that. So this comes in different type of colors. I have chosen the gray color, and this is how this footwear looks like. This is the sole of the footwear. I so much love this, the front design of this footwear, because it gives a very nice feminine artistic kind of vibes. I think this will look really good even if you are going to office, or you are studying in college or school, or you are going for casual shopping, etc. The form factor and all is very simple yet quite elegant, and that is the reason I have picked up this shoe. The sole somehow is quite flat. When I say flat, I doesn't mean the heel. I mean, the width of the sole is quite lesser, but I'm not sure how comfortable it is. Otherwise, the design looks very nice, simple, petite sa chota sa footwear you can slip on in your bag, take it. So well, those were the different footwear that I have recently bought from Amazon.com. I'll put all the details and the purchasing link in the description box below, so you can find the right price and other buying details from there. And just in case if you have found my voice shaky or not good enough, please excuse me, because as you know, I'm down with severe flu, and that's why a lot of choking issue and not being able to talk so well. But overall, I really hope that you like this video. See you soon. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm coming with some more shopping haul, especially for girls. Yeah, stay tuned. Floaters, as you know, are quite comfortable outfit no, while I kind of like this peppy kind of design. That's a bird chirping. Aja, aja.